Welcome to the PT Board Announcement Tool tutorial video. This tool is intended to support you in communicating upcoming events, academic requirements, or other general updates. To get started, click the Create an Announcement button. You can either choose the plain text announcement layout or template announcement layout to get started. The plain text announcement layout can be used to send out quick announcements as you can input your desired content in plain text. To customize your content, you may use the template announcement layout. By choosing any of the layouts, either the default templates or predefined templates, the template announcement layout will allow you to customize text, images, colors, and more. The icons shown in each row will allow you to use a variety of customization tools. Here, you may customize the text by choosing your desired font, size, format, and more. You may customize the design by changing the background color, border width, or border color. You may also choose to upload images, choosing from any of the predefined images or an image of your own choice from your device. On any of the images, you may also attach a link by clicking the link icon. Finally, you may drag the rows up and down by clicking the up-down icons, delete rows by clicking the trash icon, or add a new row by clicking the button below. Note that there are various types of rows to add, giving you more options for customization. Click the Save and Continue button below to finish editing. Once you have created your announcement, it will automatically save as a draft and will not be published immediately. Here above, the Open tab displays announcements already open to the public. The Schedule tab displays announcements scheduled to be published. The Draft tab displays announcements still in draft mode, and the Close tab displays expired announcements that are still able to be republished. By clicking the three striped menu icon on any announcement, you can use a variety of options as shown here. When you add an attachment, such as PNG or PDF files, it will be attached below the announcement as a link. To display a preview image of the attachment, we recommend that you edit the announcement itself and add screenshot images. Since a publish time is not set by default, you may schedule a time to publish in the Manage Publishing button here. To publish an announcement to a select group only, please click Class and Group on the main menu, click on your desired group, click Group Announcements, then Create and Publish Announcements. By using the Send Test Email feature here, you may send a test email to yourself or other board members to review before publishing. You may use the Make a Copy feature here so that you don't have to create new announcements from scratch. You may also use the View Statistics feature here, which will show you the viewing statistics in detail. Finally, the Close button will temporarily unpublish an announcement, and the Delete button will permanently delete an announcement. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, email us at info@ptboard.com.